You look,
you have that night vision.
You look spooky. Alright, public land turkey hunt this morning. It's gonna be windy. It's been super rainy. So we're gonna access through a private field that we have permission for. And I think it's gonna be a bit muddy. And looking at the map, I think it's gonna be a bit wet down there too. But once we get down there, we should be out of the wind. Alright. Just starting to get, looking like it's starting to get light, but when you get down there, it's gonna be a decoy day. Try to pull him in close.
Don't judge us.
Pull him in close, shoot him in the face.
As long as we don't bump him, he's going to hit that field.
Oh yeah. Question is, do we bump him already?
That's what I was. How? We only covered 30 yards. I don't think we. I'll tell you this: even if we did bump him, he's still coming back. But the only way we bumped him is in these pines right here. But
Even then, I don't think. I mean,
I know we're not that close. It's still
No.
That's 200 yards and thick.
we're on the way back here. And two gobbles. Kind of disagreement on how close it exactly was. But he's on the edge of this field. So our plan of getting to the edge of the field and setting up decoys and waiting for the light is no longer an option right now. So hoping he sounds off one more time, or a bunch more times, would be better.
Those pines are only like 170 yards away.
Those ones up there to the left.
These here are only like 150. Oh, that's not the cutout there. That's still this side of the field, right? You said the cutout's over there. He's over that way.
Yeah.
I think we can get out of the field.
Surprised I can't see him yet. I got a pretty good look. Yeah, he's right here. I have a pretty good look at the field. I just can't see him. He's coming for him. I wouldn't call or nothing. Nope. I wish we had better cover.
I don't think he's gonna see us.
One of three things is gonna happen. We're gonna kill him. He's gonna see us. Or he's gonna hang up. Right now.
He knows, like, why don't you just come on? He's right to the left of the pine.
He's coming in. he's fanned out.
He's fanned out. See him?
No. Oh yeah, I see him.
He's coming in. He's definitely closer, right? He's got about 20 yards.
Got this goddamn stick.
He's got to go.
That broken stick in my way.
He's got to go about 20 yards yet.
See a stick that's in my way.
Oh, just have to work around it.
Can you see him still?
Yeah. He's fanned out again.
Damn it.
He's about 8 yards off the field only. He's maybe 12 yards from those trees to the right.
Yeah, I know. Just kicking myself.
For what? He's gonna come in. He's gonna cross.
So I've been waiting for two guys this whole time. For a guy to be calling behind me.
No, something's not right.
Yep.
That's a different bird.
You should have no decoys and you calling behind me.
Or just no decoys and us calling. I think he'd come around the corner. He still might if you call. There he's been. No, he's flapping his wings. He's walking away.
Is he?
He's walking way away. He's walking that way. That's a different bird. Wait, just wait. Now he's fanned out. He's walking right. Dang it. Stop. That's a different bird.
It's right here. Hear him spitting still.
He's coming back in.
Are you still recording?
Man, just it's right there.
In the field, right there. Come right down the field. Get ready to die. Stick. I
thought he was in the woods.
got smoked right in the face.
By what?
The gun. I couldn't pin it to my. Whew. That made it worth the walk, eh?
That little scratch. He loved it. He was gonna go after that decoy.
Yeah, I could have let him do it, but
Nah.
this stick was right in my way.
I was like, take him, he's gonna bust us. I hope Robbie's got one too. Could be a heck of a weekend.
I don't know if I was a little low on the shot or what,
Yeah,
but
but we're okay.
yeah,
We're still recording here too.
everything's rolling.
Oh boy.
Alright, safety on, gun off.
Give me some, brother.
That was a hunt.
Hey, don't let him get up here. Dude, God, I this is worth it.
It's nice and quiet down here.
Dude.
I mean, we earned that bird because that was a walk.
Yeah.
I'd really like to walk out on this field, but
I was like, he's right there, he's coming fast. I knew he was screwed. I was like, he's coming in too quick. I think he saw the decoys.
Oh yeah, he was getting. I think he was ready to pound them.
I mean, even before, I think he did. Now that I'm out here.
I don't know if we. I don't know if.
Right here. He was right here before.
Yeah.
I can't believe we didn't hear him.
What? He squared up on us, and that broken stick was right in my way.
We didn't hear a hen or another gobble or nothing.
No. Kill them when they're lonely.
I was thinking, like, don't forget to press record. Well, hopefully it's not too windy and you can hear us talk. That was a fun hunt.
Mm-hmm. Nice and quick, just the way I like it.
Public land, pulling them from private land. That's what we knew we had to do this morning. And you can probably hear it's pretty dang windy out here, but we're in this southeast corner and the wind is blowing from the south, so we're actually tucked in pretty tight, and we felt like turkeys were going to end up here at some point in the morning. As we were making the treacherous walk through the thick stuff, we heard one gobble, and I still think that was the only bird we heard gobble all morning. Never heard any hens at all. He pitched off the roost and went away from us. Hit him with the mouth call a couple times, and he responded. And then once he got in that field, he came in pretty tight. Yeah, really tight. I mean, I could see him through the trees. He's in the field, and we thought he could see the decoys and he was hanging up, but I don't think he saw him. I don't know if he saw him or not. But then he started to work off, and I hit him with the glass call, the Champion's Choice call, and we are not sponsored by anybody. We're not good enough to be sponsored by anybody. But I've called 2 birds in with that call already this year. One went click, and this one went boom.
That made him flip. I mean, he definitely at that point was committed. He came in, saw the decoys, and was about to attack him when Jesse didn't give him a chance to do that. Yeah. I wouldn't have either. I would think I would have shot him right away.
Yeah, I could have dusted him, but I'm not big on dusting fans. I like the fan on the wall. I don't want to mess it up. That's a nice bird. Yeah, he's got, I don't know, inch hooks, probably about a 10-inch beard. But it is so gratifying to call him in. I don't even know if we needed the decoys. I really think that call is what pulled him in.
Yeah.
And he probably would have came down this trail. We would have dumped him anyway.
That's the reason I think he hung up the first time. I think he did see the decoys, and he was putting on a show, and nobody came out. So he's like, something's wrong. But I don't know if the little bit of depth perception as far as the audio went when he hit the slate call or the glass call, and he thought there was more birds further down the trail or what. But yeah, once he hit that, he turned around. He was on a mission to come and get to find us.
Yeah. No, these things are fun to hunt. But when you can get them isolated, that your confidence level goes up. I mean, I don't want to sit here and be like, oh my God, it sucks I have 6 gobblers. But where I hunt in Green Bay, it's not uncommon to have 4, 5, 6 gobblers roosted together. And it's hard to pull one away from them. Now, you can get them all in front of you. I've done that before, but even that's tough. One solo bird to focus on almost makes it easier. You can just focus on that one. You don't have to worry about getting busted by any other bird. And he made the fatal mistake.
I will say that's still rare to get a solo bird.
Yeah.
Not to hear a hen, not to hear another gobble.
Not to see a jake or
nothing.
I thought for sure this field was going to be loaded with turkeys this morning at some point. But I feel like you can hear pretty good down here.
Yeah.
I mean, we were 150 yards away, and we heard him gobble, and he was probably another 150 yards away this way, so probably a good 300 yards. Wait.
You still didn't say thanks to your guide, but...
Thanks, buddy. Just wait. You stay here.
Yeah. I'm going to stay here. No. I know what he's... It's too early. Jesse, you have a problem. No, we're just taking a little sip. It's tradition.
Tradition. Unlike any other.
Alcoholics
I noticed.
Don't get up at 4 in the morning and go turkey hunting.
I noticed you had a little cough this morning.
I did.
Hey, congratulations on your bird.
See, this is where I put my tongue on the end and I don't even...
Yeah. No breakfast again. Grapes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that was... I don't know why you do that. All right, let's be gone. Tastes so much better in the evening time.
Good job. Good job. You too. Good job. Coolie, 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 coolie.